The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.
G'day everybody and welcome to the Trader Cobb Crypto Podcast. I hope you're having a fantastic day. It has been a wonderful start to the week yesterday with my Binance Bitcoin trade hitting my first target, which was something like about 35-40% from my entry. Now that's a good first target, and the only reason that I got that trade was because I was looking. I knew what I was looking for, and so too did all of you who know how to trade my strategy. So well done. Pretty good start to the week, pretty good start to February, and to be honest with you, pretty good start to the year. It was a bit slow to kick things off, and it has been somewhat slow. The interesting thing is, though, is that because I'm looking to trade trends and not looking for ranges and all that sort of funky business, it's just about waiting until the opportunities present themselves. There is no rush in trading because rushing equals one thing. It equals a loss. Simple as that. Never has a rushing trader made good money long term. So you've got to be positioned to know what you're looking for. With that, I want to walk you through the top 10 right now. Okay, first up, Bitcoin pulling back a little bit now, sitting at 36.53. We've broken the lows of yesterday, and we do look as though we are going to have a little bit deeper of a pullback. Now, the question I have is this: will we see this move give it all back, or will we see it just be a nice pullback into that 8-hour cradle zone? Time will tell, but Bitcoin right now is down 0.79%. Ethereum, look, it did break above Friday's highs and it had a had a peak of, let's have a look at that, 128.16. We're now sitting at 120, so we've come off $8, and today we're down 2.1%, and we're only 16 minutes into the trading day as I run through this. And when I say the trading day, what I mean by that is the candle has just closed literally 16 minutes ago, and this is the newest daily candle that we see printed at the moment at $119. On to EOS, down as well, 1.37%. Again, it looks quite decent on the daily. The moving averages are in the correct order, and EOS right now, if it was to pull back to about $2.54 into some old resistance and set up a little cradle candle, then that's the sort of trade I would be more than happy to take. But that is probably going to take the best part of a couple of days minimum. Down 0.97%. Cardano down roughly 2% right now, once again, seeing this market giving back, very similar to that of Bitcoin right now. Stellar Lumens is also down. It's down 1.25%, 17 minutes outside of the new daily candle, and we do see the momentum still on Stellar to the downside. It's had a pretty rough year, old Stellar, so far. It's been selling off pretty much since we started the year, and some pretty significant selling as well. Very consistent. Unfortunately, not a pair I can trade short just yet. Now, IOTA against the dollar right now. There was a nice little breakout earlier, a short trade that was taken, and we're seeing a nice move. For those that are in the live trading floor group, you guys are in that trade more than likely. A very strong move, 1.33% down, and it looks like it's just about hit my one-to-one target. Let's hope so. Another profit looking likely to be locked in this week. Love it, love it, love it. And again, that's a Bitcoin breakout trade. Looking at opportunities that present themselves with a nice tight stop loss. Took a little bit less risk on that, a very small degree of risk, but the reward potential is quite high. And it looks like I'm about to get one-to-one, or may have already. Ripple, pretty sideways, down 1.49%, not looking all that interesting whatsoever. Litecoin, of course, after having that massive 30% day last Friday, is now having somewhat of a pullback. Yesterday as well. We haven't broken the lows of yesterday just yet on Litecoin, currently sitting down 1.5%. An uptrend is formed. We have higher highs and higher lows on that daily time frame. We have it pulling back into that cradle zone, and I am waiting for a nice pullback to something around that $40 mark to see if I can get a little cradle candle and the trade to the upside. Bitcoin Cash is pretty horrible, down 2.81%, and Monero is pretty sideways, down 0.79. So across the market right now, we are seeing some selling coming in the very early stages of trade. Opportunities have presented themselves today, IOTA being the main one thus far. Keep your eyes on the prize, guys. Ooh, that rhymed very, very well. And get across to tradercobb.com. Don't wait. Get on board, learn to trade, and I'll see you there. Have a good one, guys. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.